E-readers provide a different reading experience that is becoming more popular with readers of all ages. E-readers offer many benefits over reading ebooks on a tablet or phone. Here are the best e-readers available in the market. The Kindle Paperwhite e-reader has a built-in adjustable light and fast performance. The glare-free screen has the highest resolution screen and won't tire your eyes out. A single charge can last up to 6 weeks. You can enjoy the free Kindle app, extensive reading on any device with Prime. You can customize the product by adding additional features and accessories available. The product is available in black and white colors. The standard Kindle e-reader glare-free touchscreen display is the most affordable Kindle option available and is the best pick for you. The Kindle Oasis is the best Amazon e-reader you can buy. It is the Rolls-Royce of e-readers with a fresh ergonomic design, dedicated buttons for turning sheets, and a backlight for reading in the dark. It's perfectly balanced for one-hand reading, the 7-inch 300 ppi display that offers laser-quality text. The latest feature of the product is that you can listen to audiobooks narrated by your favorite celebrities. It has a memory of 8 GB, which will hold thousands of books with Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN connectivity. The Kindle Voyage beats most competitors with a glossy screen, lightweight design, and impressive battery life. The product's display technology uses e-ink Carta to gain the page-like quality that doesn't hurt your eyes in the way an LED or LCD does. Adaptive brightness automatically changes to ambient lighting, which is one of the core features of this product. It has a feature called Page Press, which allows you to turn the pages without even lifting a finger. The Kindle Voyage has 4 GB memory to handle your book collection. Amazon Fire 7 is more than just an e-reader. It's also a full-fledged tablet equipped with Alexa. This product has a gorgeous 7-inch 1024 by 600 IPS display, has high contrast, vivid colors, and sharp text to do the reading for hours, comfortable and enjoyable. The Fire OS has an exclusive blue shade feature that automatically optimizes backlight for a better reading experience in dim lighting. The Amazon Fire 7 tablet comes with an internal memory of both 8 GB and 16 GB, where you can store thousands of books. It also has a micro SD slot for up to 256 GB of expandable storage. If you like this video, then go ahead and press the like button. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications.